Hey guys, welcome to today's video. These are some sunscreen review. Today's sunscreen review is recorded a few months ago before the studio remodel, obviously. But saving it for spring and summertime when everyone's looking for more sunscreen. So welcome to today's video. Appreciate the old background. I kind of miss it. So anyway, thank you guys. Okay, this is the Allie Kanebo Extra UV Perfect Sunscreen. Lincoln, come say hi to everybody. Everyone doesn't want to see your tail. Come here, they want to see your cute face. Lincoln. Come here, Duty. There's that cute face everybody loves. He's very annoying. You know, he's so much cuter before the camera started rolling. I don't know why. Lincoln, can I get a hug? Muffin. Duty. Love bug. I guess that's all everybody gets. Duty. Okay. I guess he's done. Okay, so, been meaning to review this one for quite some time because I really love their gel sunscreen, and this one's actually really nice as well. So, giving it a review. Notes about it. Pursues difficulty with a double-proof sunscreen gel. Super waterproof that is resistant to sweat and water. Friction-proof that is resistant to friction and rubbing. Non-sticky dry milk that contains a serum composition to extend to the whole body and protect the skin. Suitable for face and body, although the size of this isn't super friendly for face and body, to be honest. So, 60 milliliters. So, okay, my first criteria is packaging. No issues with the packaging. Efficient. Not super exciting, but whatever. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, alcohol is the fifth ingredient in this one. So, it gives it's a noticeable amount, because it spreads pretty easily and dries down very quickly. So, some people prefer denatured alcohol in their sunscreens. I can use sunscreens with denatured alcohol for a few days in a row, but if I keep doing it like 7, 8, 9 days in a row, my skin will start to get dry and sensitive and sting a little bit. Some people don't mind it at all. So there's no fragrance in this one, so that makes it awesome. The manufacturing location is Japan. So the SPF is SPF 50+, which I believe in Japan indicates it's at least 60 SPF protection. So keep that in mind. Lincoln has found he's found a Serta sheep. Come here, Lincoln. Sleep number bed. Sheep. Lincoln, come here. Come show everyone your toy. Look at what Lincoln found. Oh, Lincoln. Okay. Lincoln. This was a Beanie Baby reject. A Patreon Beanie Baby reject. So, Lincoln. Oh, it doesn't squeak, but you can play with it. It's not going to be a Patreon, so. Okay, so the UVA protection factor, this one, it's got a PA with 4 pluses after it. It also uses Uvinol A+, which is a great UVA filter, as well as 2 inorganic filters. So I'm satisfied that the UVA protection, this one is pretty good. I've never had any issues with redness or anything like that with any sunscreen from this brand. So let's get to the filters. This is a combo sunscreen. It uses both mineral and chemical filters. So we've got Zinc Oxide. It's a great broad spectrum sunscreen filter. It protects against UVBB, UVA2, UVA1. It's considered the broadest sunscreen filter range today. Highly stable, non-irritating. Can be used with other chemical filters except for avobenzone, because avobenzone degrades immediately when used with zinc oxide. I was reading a comment from someone a couple days ago that had a great sunscreen trick where they were combining their mineral and chemical sunscreens. And I'm like, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it like that. Just, especially if it contains avobenzone. That's the big danger with that. So, anyway, I don't know they didn't mention which specific sunscreen, so I don't know. But then we've got UVAB filter oxynoxate, which is also known as Uvinol MC80. Clear oil-soluble, cosmetically elegant liquid used as a chemical sunscreen, absorbs UVB rays. Then we've got titanium dioxide, which is a UVB and UVA2 ray blocker. Very safe to use, used in a lot of sunscreens. And then we've got Uvinol A+, which I just mentioned, UVA ray absorber, really great for UVA rays. UVA rays are the ones that age you, give you fine lines, wrinkles. UVB rays are the ones that burn. So more and more is coming out about UVA rays and just how dangerous they are and how bad they are for your skin health. So it's important to do that. So, should we turn the black light camera on quick? So this is a combo sunscreen. So it's got mineral and chemical filters in it. Really quick, I'm going to talk about the white cast. This applies very clearly, in my opinion, despite having 2 mineral filters. Deeper skin tones may notice a slight cast, but...
Hey.
Oh, I was going to do it for the white cast, too. Or not apply it yet. Okay. Okay. No real white cast that I noticed, so we'll show that again in a second. And now we're setting up the black light. Lincoln, you want to be in the black light? I wonder what he would look like under the black light. Oh, he's got this Serta Bear toy. Good boy. He's crazy.
Are they on? No.
No, there they are.
That should be, let's see.
No, that's new Patreon, Lincoln.
Lincoln, leave it.
I know, it's so cute, though.
Where's
your Serta Bear? Lincoln, go get the Serta Bear. Lincoln, it's right there. Go get it. Ready? Okay, Lincoln's all into this video now. You're all into this. Okay. So I'm taking just a little bit of this.
If you move it just to your left a little bit, then the camera's on the way. Okay. See that?
Yeah. There we go. So it's talking about white cast. So it does have a slight white cast, but for me, once it absorbs, I don't really notice it at all. And for deeper skin tones, it may be more of an issue. The texture, very liquid texture, absorbs pretty quickly and sets to a natural finish, slightly matte, non-sticky in my opinion. There we go. So I've applied it to the entire back of this hand, so we'll be able to see on the UV camera what it looks like. So, interesting. I haven't really seen I don't know if we've done a chemical mineral sunscreen on the blacklight before, so it'll be interesting to see what that looks like. There we go. Okay. So ease of use, shake it well. You don't want to apply it without shaking it because some of the filters have a tendency to separate. Apply it on face, neck, before any foundation. If you use a primer, I recommend using the primer before your sunscreen, just because applying it after your sunscreen can affect the effectiveness of it. So there we go. If you don't use enough, you won't get the identical UV protection. Reapply it frequently, especially if you wipe your skin a lot or sweat a lot. There we go. So I found it very easy to apply, and the liquid makes it smooth over easy, and the little bit of alcohol in here really helps it smooth quickly. Uh-oh, Lincoln had a Beanie Baby. Who's Beanie Baby? Marcus. Uh-oh, Lincoln. Lincoln was eating Marcus. I don't know. That's not nice, duty. Okay. I think we're done with the black light.
And something just died. No? Okay.
Okay, so antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. The list is pretty short. We've got sodium hyaluronate. You know what? It's fitting that Lincoln grabbed Marcus's Beanie Baby because I think Marcus was the one that sent this to me, actually. It's like he's psychic. Isn't that interesting that he did that? What's with that? Was kind of weird. Anyway, so we've got 3 ingredients of note. Sodium hyaluronate, which is a humectant. We've got BHT, which is a preservative antioxidant combo ingredient. Then we've got hydrolyzed collagen, which is a hydrating ingredient. Can't apply collagen and make collagen, but collagen itself is a good hydrating ingredient. In terms of acne-prone skin, this one's pretty friendly. There's only 1 ingredient of note, and that is dimethicone, which is towards the very end of the ingredient list. So that's pretty good. In terms of animal testing, they are not cruelty-free. I do believe they are sold in mainland China, which makes them not cruelty-free at this point, although there's a lot of progress in that direction. So that's a good thing. Performance. So I really like this one. I tested this summer during a 7-hour stint on the boat with 1 reapplication, and I noticed no tanning, no freckling, no redness. Very impressed with this one. Performed very nicely. It isn't a chore to apply. It's easy to apply. It works well under makeup. Doesn't leave my skin looking greasy or patchy. You can see it's fully absorbed, and it's kind of a nice natural finish. Because of the alcohol, I wouldn't use it every day, but for another 8-hour day on the boat, definitely pick this one. And reapplying it's easy. It's not greasy. It doesn't get stuff stuck to it. Like some sunscreens are so sticky, my hair sticks to it. If my hair blows, or the sand, or the, so it performs very nicely. Very happy with this one. Really enjoy it. The price is a little expensive, so if you're buying it like in the US, this is the full size, which is 60 milliliters, 2.1 ounces, and it retails for about $42, at least the last time I looked. So it is pricey, but you know what? If you're going to splurge on anything skincare related, do it in your sunscreen, because that is the only real anti-aging thing that exists. So that's my opinion on that topic. So with I think a 16 or 15 was a perfect score. This one got an 11. I really love it. Definitely pick this one out again for a day when you're out on the boat or sweating or exercising, things like that. It is wonderful. Love it. So those are my thoughts on the Allie Kanebo liquid. Love it. So their gel's great too. So anyway, those are my thoughts. Interested in hearing from you guys if you have a chance to try this one out yet or not, and if you have, what your thoughts were. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. I think Marcus will get a kick out of that, don't you? I thought that was just so funny that he picked that one out.